Pop quiz time. What is the number one expense in the average American's life over the course of their life? Think it's food or shelter, housing? In some of your cases, beer and partying, right? Nope, not even close. It's taxes. How is that possible? How is it possible that I'm paying so much toward taxes? Well, to start with, whenever you get your paycheck from the government, before you even see it, taxes are taken out in the form of federal income tax. But also, if you're in the wrong state, most states have state taxes as well, so they get a piece of that, right? But that's not all. You've got something called FICA, which is what funds Social Security and Medicare, which is hilarious to me because if you're under the age of about 40, by the time we reach the eligibility age for Social Security and Medicare, it won't be around anymore in its current form because it's basically gone bankrupt. But we're still paying into it, right? And that is just the beginning. That normally puts people in a tax bracket of anywhere between 15% and about 35-40% depending on how much they make. The average nominal tax rate is about 16%. So 16% of every dollar that you make goes away in that. But then everything else comes in. Gas is taxed, food is taxed, transportation is taxed. You fly into an airport and rent a car and you're gonna pay huge amounts of taxes. Properties are taxes. Everything is taxed. Cigarettes are taxed. Everything around you is taxed. Everything that you buy, sell, or do, for the most part, is taxed. Here's the kicker. Even dying doesn't make you safe from taxes. Literally, the estate tax can be one of the most expensive taxes that exist. Elvis Presley's estate was 90% devoured after he died because he had the wrong estate plan and most of it went toward taxation. It's insane. Even dying is a very expensive proposition in the United States from a form of taxes. But there's a secret weapon that you can use. The number one, most sort of well-known secret weapon, and it's investing in real estate. Real estate has layers and layers and layers of tax mitigation built in, right? And before you get kind of all sort of bored, because I keep using the word tax, understand that it's this simple. The average person in America gives away 50% of their lifetime earnings in some form of taxation. 50%. So for every dollar that you make, every $100 you make, every $1,000 you make, 50% of it is going to some form of tax. But it doesn't have to be that way, because if you start investing in real estate, you can write off almost everything. Mortgage interest, you get to write off the actual taxes themselves. You write off any type of maintenance. You write off the property management. You write off travel. If you have a cell phone that you use for business, you can write off a portion of that. You write off the miles on your car. You can write off the car itself if it's leased for business. You can get a home office and write off a portion of your rent or your mortgage, and on and on and on and on. So lots more to follow on this, and I can do entire videos just on each type of tax mitigation strategies. But suffice to say, just remember this. If you do nothing, you're going to give away 50% of everything you earn in the form of taxes. If you invest in real estate, or even better, educate yourself on all of the tax saving strategies that are available, you can absolutely pummel that tax, and you can keep more of it inside your family to live the kind of life you want to live and do what you want to do. And that, in my opinion, is what America is all about. Have a great day, guys.